The National Judicial Council has suspended Justice Jane Eyang of the Court of Appeal Uyo Division, Justice Eyang Eko of the Federal High Court Abuja, and Justice Aminu Aliyu of the Federal High Court Zamfara Division. The suspension was made at the NJC's 108th meeting held on 29th and 30th April 2025 in Abuja.
Eyang was suspended for 1 year without pay for abusing her office by issuing inappropriate ex parte orders for the sale of Udeme Esset Petroleum Station at the interlocutory stage of the case. This act of judicial misconduct occurred while presiding over a case at the Federal High Court Uyo in 2023 before her elevation. Justice Eyang Eko of the Federal High Court was also suspended for 1 year without pay. He had been placed on a watch list for 5 years and equally barred from elevation for 5 years. Justice Eko was found to have ignored an application to set the proceedings of the court in a case conducted in the absence of the parties. He proceeded to deliver a ruling against the defendant. Also, Justice Aminu Aliyu was suspended for 1 year without pay for judicial misconduct and placed on a watch list for 3 years, as well as barred from promotion for the same period. He was found to have granted an order restraining security agencies from carrying out their statutory duties and disregarded the doctrine of stare decisis, which means to stand by things decided in the adjudication of the case. The NJC also directed the governor of Imo State, Hope Uzodinma, to appoint the most senior judicial officer in the State High Court as the acting chief judge in conformity with the law. The council also resolved that Justice Theophilus Nzoku should be issued a query to show cause within 7 days, while disciplinary action should not be taken against him from presenting himself to be sworn in as an acting chief judge of Imo State. Justice V. Okore, the president of the Customary Court of Appeal Imo State, who acted as interim chairman of the Imo State Judicial Service Commission and recommended the appointment of Justice Nzoku, was asked to show cause within 7 days, while disciplinary action should not be taken against him. The council at the meeting finally resolved that henceforth the names of candidates being considered for appointment as judicial officers to superior courts of record will be published for information and comments by the public. The primary objective of this initiative is to solicit comments from the public where there is any objection to integrity, reputation or competence of the candidates by opening the process to public participation and scrutiny. Celestina Iria, TVC News, Abuja.
We told you earlier that the High Court sitting at the Tafawa Balewa Square in Lagos has sentenced a bus rapid transit driver Andrew